I've been so lonely lately, feeling down and so low. Bored stiff with how I'm living, my love life's moving too slow. But two strong hands can hold me and bring me up to speed. What a good man is all that I need. So come a little closer, there's no need to be shy. Just show me what you're made of. You might be my kind of guy. Someone whose squeeze could please me, could apply a little TLC. Good man is all that I need. The smoothest, the smartest, the best, a brooding artist, the hands